Experiencing issues with Rogers Ignite TV or Xfinity Stream not connecting or loading? Don't worry, you're not alone. These problems often stem from network issues. The good news is that 70 to 80% of these issues can be resolved with simple fixes. This video will guide you through the most effective troubleshooting steps. Start by power cycling your modem and router. Unplug them for 30 seconds, then plug the modem back in first, followed by the router once the modem is fully online. This often resolves basic network glitches. If a network reset doesn't solve the problem, the next step is clearing the app's cache. Corrupted cache files can cause buffering or loading issues. In the Ignite TV or Xfinity Stream app, look for a clear cache option in the settings. If you can't find it there, you might need to clear the cache at the device level. On Roku devices, quickly press the Home button 5 times to clear the cache. Finally, if problems persist, consider changing your DNS server. Sometimes your ISP's default DNS server can be slow or unreliable. Switching to a public DNS server like Google's 8.8.8 and 8.8.4 or Cloudflare's 1.11.1 and 1.0.1 can significantly improve connection speeds. You can change the DNS settings in your router's configuration panel. By following these steps, you'll resolve most common not connecting/loading issues and get back to streaming your favorite content.